Invest in classified search, classifieds and search.
Everyone is cooperating with Google. You say you want to compete. Are you crazy?
From time to time, we think we are a bit crazy, but we believe that we have some competitive advantages in the local market that we can compete with them locally, but internationally, I think it's far-fetched.
Schibsted just sold out its shares in Swedish television channel TV4. Is TV moving to the internet?
Well, the main reason why we sold was actually the fact that we had a minority stake. We was not able to take a controlling position in TV4. But saying that, I also agree with your question that we are doubtful to the model of traditional analog TV going forward, and the development of living pictures on the IP platform will be a very interesting part of the market.
You mentioned that your favorite site within the Schibsted is E24. Why is that?
That's because then when we launched E24 and was able to compete with Dagens Industri so fast, it really showed us the value of having access to huge traffic machines online to introduce new products to the online world.
Do you visit E24 daily yourself?
Daily.
You say that you can't be defensive online. Why is that?
I think that's the risk. If you're going to beat those guys only being internet players, you need to meet them on the same ground field. You can't be defensive at the same time. I think that's a big burden. So you should not be afraid of losing your traditional business if you really mean you're seriously going into the internet world.